targeting gags today. They are in season in the Gulf. Okay guys, so we're out here for the first time in a really long time. I'm using my Accurate 300, which I love this reel. I got it spooled with Veriva's jigging line. Can't remember the pound, but I want to say it's 30 pounds. Then I'm using a TO Slow Jig 80 gram jig here with my leader. It's either 25 or 30 pounds. I honestly can't remember, it's been a while. So we're just gonna go ahead and send it down and see how many species we catch with it. So basically I just kind of like holding my reel with just one hand, and I have the butt of the rod on my forearm. I don't jig like this. I used to jig like this in the beginning because it was tiring, you know, but you don't really get the action really when you have it under your armpit as much as you would want. You're able to pitch it a lot higher too when you are having it under your forearm. See, I don't really need anything, and I just got hooked up there. All right, we'll see what it is. Something small. But you see, just holding the rod and the reel in just one hand. I have my index finger in the back of the reel and then my thumb right across the spool here. So in case I do need to thumb anything, it's just simple for me to, you know, put the heat on them with my thumb. Alex just got hooked up on a jig head there. Look at that, guys. This is my second mang on a jig. I got one just a little earlier when I wasn't filming, but look at that, guys, on an 80 gram jig. He's a little short. He has the banded eye still, so that's how I know that he is a little juvenile. But I got him off the one hook. We're gonna let this guy go, guys. So, but I got like 2 assist hooks at the bottom. Sometimes I work with 2 assist hooks on the top, or one on the top, one on the bottom, and see how it goes. But I just kind of briefly wanted to show you guys how to jig a little bit here. We're about like 90 feet of water, so you don't really need too big of a jig. Sometimes I do use a little bit bigger. I might switch it to a little bit bigger gram. This seems a little bit better. See, the only way that I go ahead and just fight him, sometimes I do go ahead and put it under my armpit. Otherwise I just fight him if he's not that big, just on my forearm like this. Oh yeah, he's a little bit bigger. Let's see what it is. Hopefully it's a guy. Got him with the both assist hooks right there. Sometimes I do hole turns. Oh, and that hole turn did work. Another red grouper. There. Another thing I would like to stress is I'm pretty short and the gunnels are pretty high on this boat, but I try to keep my rod tip as down as I can so the line could actually go down. So by the time that I close it, I'm able to pitch it without hitting the bottom. And if I hit the bottom, that's fine, but it's not just gonna lay, the jig is not just gonna lay there. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, good job. Yeah. A little bit better.
God, I got fucking ripped. Like, I took my whole jig. They lay with it.
This is a big old mang. I'll measure it for you guys, but check that out. Fat belly. He's been eating all the chum we've been. A little over 17 and a half, guys. Look at those chompers. Really nice fish. Got myself a yellowtail.
Come on, pull that thing in.
I feel, oh fuck, yeah, there he is. He's going under the boat. Fuck yeah.
Good job, mate. Good job.
Yeah, buddy. All right. Yeah. Waited him out. Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah? Good
Nice.
girl.
Big mang on the
Nice.
jig. Oh man, that's awesome. Check it out. Rubbed himself on it. Got him right here on the side. Yeah, buddy. Oh man, this jig is definitely working for these mangs. Got him on the side right here on the, we'll call it forehead. Okay, using the 80-gram jig, TO Slow Jig. Check that out, guys. Nice chompers. Good size. We're gonna let this guy go because we got 21 snappers and I'm good with 21. But yeah, check them out, guys. See, you could actually just catch snappers on a jig, 80 grams. That's a great jig for this kind of depth. Working about the 60 feet, guys. 60 feet, jigging them up. Oh yeah, hooked. Oh, this one seems nicer. Let go, ripped. That was nice. There, yep, hooked again. Jig is starting to work again. Alright, this time we got a little red grouper. Oh, there we go, hooked again. Oh, let go again. So when that happens and they let go, guys, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go ahead and send the jig back down unless they break your jig off the leader. Nice. Oh! Oh, he came back for it. So basically what I did there is I paused in between my pitch and that's when he came to hit it. Sometimes they don't like it just pitching continuously. See, I paused and I hooked up again and he's letting go. For some reason it's not like hooking up correctly, or maybe he's just too strong and he's just pulling lip. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed the little tutorial on how to slow pitch jig. This could be for beginners or intermediate jiggers. So if you follow this technique, you will be more successful in your fishing days. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you like this video or if you have any questions on how to slow pitch jig. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for all the love and support, and until next time, guys, catch you guys later.